What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So in today's video I decided to show you guys multiple ways of doing your eyebrows. Yes, I do my eyebrows multiple ways. I feel like some people do, some people don't. I'm not going to show you guys like how to braid your eyebrows or do like the feather brow. I don't even know, those trends were just crazy. But yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the video. So for the first way I do my brows is that I actually go for more of a natural look. I'm going to be taking this Glossier Boy Brow in the color Clear and just brush that through my brows. This gel really does keep my eyebrows in place all day and I love it. Next, I'm going to brush through my brows using the spoolie side of the AOA Studio Sculpting Brow Pencil. And then I'm going to take that pencil and then just basically draw a line on the bottom portion of my eyebrow very lightly. Then I'm going to fill it up my brow lightly, and then I'm going to draw a very light line above the arch of my brow just to give my brow a little bit more definition. Then I like to take the spoolie side again and just brush through my brows just to blend all the product in. Then I'm going to go in with a Q-tip and just clean up around the edges. This is why I always do my eyebrows first, just in case I mess up, I can always clean it up. Next, I'm going to brush my hairs up using a spoolie. For the other way I do my eyebrows, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Dote in the color Ebony, and I'm going to take the darker shade and draw a line on the bottom of my brow on the outer portion of the brow. Then I'm going to draw a line again, but with the lighter shade and on the front portion of my brow. Then I'm going to go back in with the darker shade and go to the highest point of my brow just to give the brow a little bit more definition. Then I'm going to go back in with the spoolie just to blend all the product in again. For the next way I do my brows, I'm just going to brush the hairs up again just so I know I have a shape. And then I'm going to go in with the AOA Studio Eyebrow Gel in the color Dark Brown and just brush it through my brows. I love this product just because it makes my eyebrows look a little bit more fuller with the tint, and it actually does keep my eyebrows in place, as well as keeping the brows really natural. I'm not necessarily the best at eyebrows, but this is just what I do and what I find that looks the best on me. I prefer more of a natural brow, so all of my looks look a little bit more natural, and I'm like kind of blessed with already full brows, so it's not that hard to fill in my brows. I also don't have that many sparse areas in my brows, so it's not that hard for me to fill in my brows. If you like this video, then you'll like my other ones. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below of anything else you guys want me to do. Don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell right next to it so you're notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.